In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make QR codes for Google Forms for free. Now, QR codes have become an incredibly versatile tool for sharing Google Forms. Whether you're organizing events, conducting surveys, or collecting feedback, these simple square codes can save you tons of time and effort, and you don't need to be tech-savvy to create them. Let's dive right into this simple process to help you enhance accessibility and engagement. First, you'll want to create the Google form you intend to share. If you haven't done so already, log into your Google account and head over to the Google Forms website. Once you're there, you can effortlessly put together your form by selecting the questions and response types that best suit your needs, be it multiple choice, short answer, or any other format. Make sure to review and finalize your form to ensure it's just right before moving on to the next step. Once your form is ready, the key step is to generate a shareable link. To do this, click on the Send button located in the top right corner of the page and navigate to the link icon, which looks like two interconnected chains. You'll then see a URL displayed. Copy this URL, as it will be the basis for your QR code. Now that you have the link, it's time to create the QR code. There are many free QR code generators available online. One of the most user-friendly options is a site aptly named QR Code Generator. Open your browser and search for this web-based tool. Upon reaching the site, you'll be greeted with a straightforward interface where you can paste your copied link into a designated field. After pasting your link, you'll have an option to customize your QR code. While this is entirely optional, it can add a nice touch. You might choose to tweak the color scheme, add a frame, or even incorporate a logo, which can be especially useful for branding or simply to make the code more visually appealing. Once satisfied with your customized design, you're ready to generate the QR code. Simply click the Create QR Code button, and voila! You now have a downloadable QR code that is perfectly linked to your Google form. Make sure to download it in a format that suits your needs, such as PNG or SVG, to ensure it is compatible with the medium through which you plan to share it. Finally, test the QR code with your smartphone or another scanning device to make sure it correctly directs you to the Google form. Distribute the code through your chosen channels, be it printed materials, digital presentations, or social media, to reach your audience efficiently. And there you have it. You've now learned how to create a free QR code for your Google form, simplifying the sharing process while keeping it accessible and inviting for all participants. Happy form sharing!